Hi, my name is Sharon. I am 45 years old from the Philippines, a mother of two, and I'm a single mother. Yeah. I was diagnosed of breast cancer in 2017. Um, to be exact, it's a stage 4 breast cancer spread to my spine and ribs. Being a cancer warrior, it's not that easy. But if you have a positive mind and positive mindset, everything will be fine. Everything will be all right by the help of God. When I was diagnosed of cancer, I was really in terrible pain. I thought that day would be the last day of my life. It's very painful. I can't even walk. I can't even stand. But someone whispered in my ear to go to the Dubai hospital in the emergency room. And then I followed that voice. And when I was in the Dubai hospital in the emergency room, they told me that they need a deposit because my insurance is not accepted in the Dubai hospital because it's category C. And then I feel devastated, of course. I feel sad because I'm in terrible pain. And then all of a sudden, one lady came to me. I don't recognize her face. What I can remember is she's wearing a gold necklace with a big cross pendant. She gave me 2,000 dirhams for me to be admitted in the Dubai hospital. The next day, I tried to look for her. We tried to look for her, but we can't find her. We even asked some of the nurses in the emergency room if there is a certain lady wearing a maroon uniform and then wearing this necklace. And then they said, no, we don't know this lady. So I said, maybe she's an angel that was sent by God because I was really need the help that time. And then that day I was admitted and everything is, I thought that it was in God's plan. It was in his hand. Everything. He managed everything. From the insurance, the company upgraded my insurance from category C to category B for me to do the treatment. I was in the hospital for 1.5 months, bedridden because the doctor advised me you are not allowed to stand, you are not allowed to walk, just stay in the bed because it might cause any fracture in your bones because of cancer. But thanks God, I'm here in front of you. I've been in remission for 4 years, but unfortunately, last year the cancer came back. But I'm still thanking God because it's still in the bones. Thank God it's not spread in other organ, which which will be another treatment plan, or it might cost more because it's a different thing. So I'm really praising God that He gave me the strength um, to face this disease. Having cancer is really not easy, you know. Um, my parents is in the Philippines and I'm the only one here. Actually, before, but now my kids are now here. They are with me, thanks God. But to those who are who's having the same disease, please be strong. This is just a cancer. This is a cancer, but we have a big C, which is Christ. Just continue with your faith. God is a God of purpose. Whatever is happening to us, it's all in His hands. Just trust His will.